church that was built by the Spaniards.
This is the church?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, if you go inside, it shows you a picture of what the...
Oh, you can go inside? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's just a very small portion of what the original church was huge.
Thank you. You may encounter rattlesnakes. Avoid and report. Y'all keep that in mind, because you know what Papa Sammy's going to do if he comes across a rattlesnake. He's going to get closer and then look. What is this?
That's what I told you.
What is it?
This foundation is probably from a
From
1600
1600.
farm
my.
and ranch area.
I thought that they had just put it there, but apparently.
And what was this, though? Oh, this is their farming again.
Yeah.
With the rocks again. Very smart.
Let me tell you about rattlesnakes. They're basically a ground animal.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mom.
every once in a while, look, every once in a while, for whatever reason, they'll climb up the tree, a bird nest, or get some sun, and you can get hit in the face or the arms out of trees like this.
Well, let's just don't find any and not encounter that. How about that? Are you going down there?
You know, that's the rattlesnake heaven down there.
Okay. Well, it says...
Look how deep that thing is.
Hey, look at Preston. Wave.
Look, they got little shells and all down in there.
They do?
Yeah, Mama, move your
Little storage area. Oh, wait. Down there.
Forget entering with you. Entering with you. Look, water up there. Come down through the little holes. Look. Out through the
Oh,
little,
look at that.
That's how to irrigate you.
That's brilliant. Come this way or go that way? Those mountains. We're in Pecos, New Mexico. There's Pawpaw Sammy and Mama Barbara, also known as Gigi, by their great-grandchildren. I thought they were coming through the fence to make a grand entrance, but y'all wave. Look at this fence.
Your mama didn't have the other thing.
Wow. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Crazy how white that I guess those weeds are like that out there. They look white with the backdrop of the city. See the piece that broke off right here? And they steady out there making them to keep this thing. That's it. That's all that. They're making the grout.
It's pure mud. Little silicone in
That's
it.
the rock underneath.
See the
They got a
glitter?
mixer over there.
That glitter silicone.
Yeah, they have to keep repairing, I'm sure.
Surprised they don't have
They just
strength.
broke off right there.
How strong is it?
So they're steady making replacements to keep this repaired. Low revolt. In front of you are the remains of the smaller church they completed in 1717.
The remains, they didn't rebuild that? That's the actual remains?
Yes, ma'am. Every August, members of the St. Anthony's Parish in the village of
See, that's up
Pecos
there, that little
and the
rose
Pueblo
over
of
there.
Jemez bring a painting of the patron saint, Our
That's
Lady
the
of the
little rose
Angels,
that
here in
went
a
in
feast
when
day
they went
mass
up the steps.
celebration. Wow.
They distributed knotted ropes between the people, untie one knot every day. When there's no knots left, attack.
The revolt would begin.
Yeah.
And that was in 1680.
I don't blame them. I would have attacked too.
The smaller church.
I don't blame them. I would
They
have.
revolted the Pueblos.
Yeah. They were oppressed.
That church has been there over 300 years. That's the remains of the set. So what you see in front of you are from two churches built about 100 years apart. We see this structure right here, which was finished in 1717. But before that, you had this other church. It was larger. And that was a church foundation, which is right over there. So this was a prime location for the Pecos Pueblo because it was between the Pecos River, Glorieta Creek. And then if you look off, we'll start over here. Back there is the Glorieta Mesa, the Glorieta Pass. And over there, in my best effort, the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. gorgeous.
Oh, this doesn't go to our car fan.
I don't think it does.
Doesn't.
Listen to Daddy.
Okay, well, I'm following.
No,